What is going on in the loop, fans? It's Drew here. We're talking Carowinds and we're talking Copperhead Strike. So Carowinds sent us over some video and some footage of their construction going on with Copperhead Strike. Copperhead Strike is their dual launching Mac mega coaster that is coming for the 2019 season. So while we're at it, let's just dive in and see what we got here. Alright, moving on to pictures now. This is some unpainted track here at the Mac factory in Germany. The track is made like this and then eventually gets painted the orangish brown color that this coaster is going to be. Now, still at the Mac plant, we've got coaster track. This appears to be the brake or launch. As you can see, the little brackets there to install some sort of fin of some sort. And you can see it is the painted orange color. And of course, this coaster is made up of many pieces of track. So here's a good image showing you a plethora of different track pieces that they have at the Mac factory. Here we got some rebar in place as they're going to pour the concrete to create a footer. It gets kind of messy here on the construction site. This picture is showing a mud mat, which is a concrete layer around the footers for Copperhead Strike. It provides a good work area to keep rebarb and formwork clean while preparing to construct pier caps. And here they are pouring the concrete for the mud mat in which you saw in the previous picture. This will eventually accept the track supports for Copperhead Strike. Alright, and this heavy machinery here that is drilling the holes that is eventually going to become footers to support all of the support columns. Lots of work goes into creating Copperhead Strike. Alrighty, thank you for watching this update we got here from Carowinds. So make sure you follow us here on the In the Loop YouTube channel so you can follow all of the updates from Copperhead Strike and all the other projects going on in 2019 for theme parks around the world.